Okay, so this is a test of the action camera of the Akaso V50X action camera. Another test. I've made a test before. This time I have taken it out of the waterproof case and I'm testing it in terms of the microphone feature of the mic of the camera, how well it is able to pick up my voice as such. And then in a little bit I will test out the external microphone with the camera and see how well the microphone is able to pick up my voice and how well the camera performs with the external microphone attached. Okay, so this is a test of the external microphone. I have attached it now to the camera and let's see how well it performs. This is actually the second test of the microphone. Medyo hindi ko yata na-attach ng maganda kanina. But now we'll see kung okay na yung external microphone. I have attached it to the collar of my shirt and we'll see how well it will turn out.